you doing? Matt from the Inspection Boys.
Bridget with the Inspection Boys.
We're gonna go over a brief home inspection, some tips, some tricks, and kind of put it all together. Just to start off, we're gonna be using the software. Everybody should have good software. You know, your software should be your template. It should be the routine. It should basically have everything in it set up, ready to go, and you should follow the routine. So when you start your inspection, the first thing you do is you go across the street, you take a big picture of the house. You know, you want to see anything major, anything, is the house straight, are the walls crooked, anything that's wrong with the house. So a nice picture of the house. You know, I usually like going across the street, you know, seeing if I notice anything up front. Then I start my inspection. Again, it's all about the routine and how you go. So I like to have my software set up. Boom, 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 item after item. So I usually come to the front of the house here. I start with the driveway. You know, I take the pictures of the driveway. I look for whatever's going around, you know, your cracks, whatever. I put it in the report. I do everything as I go. So you can see with Brigitte, she's filling it out as we go. Driveway material, you know, the common cracks. Another pointer for everybody is, if you're just taking pictures, you might not know what you're looking at later on. So you might want to put a thumbs up, thumbs down, point at it. So when you're taking a picture, you know later on what you were doing. The software usually has arrows in it, so we always put arrows, or, you know, try to point out what we're looking at. So now I'm here, I'm ready to start my inspection. I personally, now it's all personal, like to start on one side of the house and do a 360. So I'll go to the left-hand side, I'll start there, and I'll walk around the house inspecting as I go.